Hello students, do you like to play with Teddy? Yes. Now, so in this poem, in today's session we are going to learn about one poem that is Midnight Fun, and in this poem we are going to learn about who is making fun at the time of midnight. Okay, so open your English textbook on page number 76. First I will read the poem, then I will explain you. Listen carefully. Okay, just at midnight streaking, when everyone's asleep, teddies yawn and stretch and shake, and out of warm beds creep. They sneak out from their houses and gather in the dark, then skip along the empty streets, heading for the park. And there beneath the moonlight, they tumble down the slides. They swoosh up high upon the swings and play on all the rides. And when the sun comes peeping, they rush home to their beds and snuggle down as children wake to cuddle with their tails. Understood, students? This poem is related to teddies. What they do, we will see by one stanza. Okay, one by one. In first stanza, just at midnight streaking, when everyone's asleep, teddies yawn and stretch and shake, and out of warm beds creep. Do you know what is mean by streaking? Streaking means showing time by making ringing sound. Okay. See, students, what happened when at the time of midnight, when the teddies listen the ring of the timing we shown 12 o'clock at the night. We all are sleeping, but teddies awaken and yawn. Yawn means what? To open mouth wide when feel sleepy or bored. Okay, and stretch and shake. Teddies wake up and out of warm beds and creep, means they get up from the beds and start to going somewhere. Creep means to move slowly. Okay, why slowly? Because they don't want to disturb our sleep. Next stanza, they sneak out from their houses and gather in the dark, then skip along the empty streets, heading for the park. Sneak means what? To go somewhere. They go somewhere means they gather in one place of dark, and they from that place they all together went towards the park. Okay, in the third stanza, and there beneath the moonlight they tumble down the slides. They swoosh up high upon the swings and play on all the rides. Tumble means what? Tumble means to fall suddenly, and swoosh means to move quickly through the air in a way that makes a sound. Means they went to the park and they enjoy every ride. Means they play seesaw, they play swings, they slides from the sliding. Every ride they enjoyed at the time of midnight in the light of moon. Understood? Next, last stanza, and when the sun comes peeping, they rush home to their beds and snuggle down as children wake to cuddle with their tails. Okay. In the last stanza, what happened? When they feel it's a time of sun rising, they return at their place. They return at their homes and snuggle or cuddle means what? To hold something with care means they went to their place, and when small children wake up, they hug. Cuddle means hug to their teddies. Okay students, I will explain you this poem in short. Means in this poem what we learn that at the time of midnight when we are sleeping, at that time all the teddies wake up from their beds and gathered one place, and when they gathered at one place, all they are went to the park, and in the light of moon they enjoys the every ride of the park, like swings, like seesaw, like sliding, every rides they enjoys. And when they feel that it's time of sun rising, they suddenly go back to their home and sat on their place, because when small children wake up, they hug their teddies. Understood? You have to read this poem and send me the audio. Thank you.